Yo, so what's good guys, and in this video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make your own Roblox executor using SKID APIs. So obviously make sure to like and subscribe, and obviously in this video we're gonna be using Windows Forms apps. So let's first call this tutorial executor. But obviously I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly what you have to do to make it work, and some nice stuff, you know. So here first, obviously, let's make the UI. So we're just gonna make this pretty simple. So properties, and we're gonna remove the sides because it's kind of annoying. We're gonna add a panel, just like that. We're gonna put this dock. And we're gonna put this there. You don't have to do this, but I think it's more useful because I just find it better. Just add a button. You can use Guna too, which is a pretty good UI framework, if you ask me. Here, X. So this is the close. This is gonna be the minimize. Code for alone. I won't give this, but basically, I mean, I will give the codes, but I won't give the TXT file. But basically, what this does is that you're gonna be able to make this draggable, because, or if not, it's not gonna be draggable. So make sure that you're watching properly. I know I'm doing pretty fast, but this is the wrong code. But yeah, so make sure you like and subscribe, because we're trying to get enough subs to get actually promoted by Ilya Roblox cheats. We can get some keys, but obviously guys, make sure to like and subscribe. But yeah, also guys, we're gonna be using SKID API because it's literally one of the best APIs you can get out there. It's often updated, it's pretty quickly updated and all that. And we're also doing tutorials and all that. We're showcasing executor is my fault. And yeah, so make sure to like and subscribe. Here we're gonna add a text box. We're not gonna be using Monaco tabs. I'm gonna be doing a video on a beta tutorial on how to make a proper Roblox executor with a nice, you know, a good UI, because this is not good. And we're also gonna be using Guna in this video, by the way. So yeah. And by the way, in this video, I'm also gonna be using Nether API. So yeah, obviously in this, let's just name it because we're gonna need a name. So this is gonna be the injects. This is gonna be the kill Roblox. No, this will not directly kill Roblox. This will basically just close Roblox for you if you ever need something. I don't know, because there's a bug on the API or whatever. This area is kind of weird. It can be unstable, but it's still pretty good. So now what you're gonna have to do is that you're gonna go right click on this properties, click on this, then make sure this is for .NET framework 4.8 or else it won't work. Go on build and make sure this is not any CPU, and make sure you choose x64 because Roblox is x64, so the DLL or the bin is gonna be x64, 64 bits, so that they can both, like, you know, work together. And obviously x30, I don't know what the default is, but it does not integrate with x64, so it just won't work. So now what you're gonna want to do is that you're gonna want to go to the Discord, first link in the description, and you're gonna go click whatever APIs you want. If it's green, then it means it's updated to the latest version. If it's purple, it means it's down, but it works on the previous version of Roblox. In this case, let's say Sub-Zero. This is the update that it works. But yeah, obviously let's use this. So download this. So once you got this downloaded, you're gonna want to extract it. You don't have to extract it, but because you can just copy and paste it if you use WinRAR. Just extract it. Those good there. SKID API. Then here I'm gonna be copying this. Go to references, add reference, browse, put the path in here, click this and click add. Once you got this added, you should have the functions now. So if I type in SKID, yep, SKID API, inject. So here, this is gonna be the function to inject, and here SKID API Nether.kill Roblox. Obviously, each API has its own function. I don't know if I got, yeah, I don't got fake level on this, but it's all right. So here, text box one dot clear, yeah, clear. Basically, what it does is that it's just gonna clear the text box. The problem when you do this is that you can't do Control Z if you accidentally click the button. But if you do want to be able to like back up, but Control Z is like to back up the text. But if you do want to back up the text, just click this and do this. So this will just change the text to nothing instead of just clearing it everything. After that, why did I name it executor? My fault, guys. But here's SKID API Nether.execute. So now maybe you're like, oh, does it work now? No, it doesn't work because the API is not gonna be it. We're gonna have to get there. We're gonna have to go in there, click on this, go to your downloads or wherever you got this stuff. Oh well, I didn't get the things. Let me just grab the bin, okay? Grab this folder that's called bin and paste it in there. Once you did, you're gonna be good to go. But you're wondering what I do now. You just click on build and build solution to make your application as an exe file. I did got an issue though. So this is because if you're wondering why is it not working, is because what is it gonna execute? We didn't said execute this, so we're gonna do that. Text box one.text. This is gonna do so that it's gonna execute the text specifically from this text box, as you guessed it. So let's go and start. You can also build it and just run it directly, which also does work. So let's do that. Let's put the path. So here we have everything we need. So get your Roblox, go to any game you want. You're gonna want to go in this game. Not you can choose any games, but this is the game to hop on because it's like everyone knows it's the best game for testing it and stuff. So yeah, let's go inject. Let's see if there's an errors. No, that works because that's how the API works. So let's just wait and boom, SKID API Nether is injected. And here let's just make sure it does work. Create identity. Yep, it does work. And if you wonder why it says Nether, it's obviously because SKID APIs work. Basically, what we do is that we're cracking Roblox executors or their APIs and all that. And well, you know, we make them as our name. But yeah, so obviously, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. And I obviously enjoy your APIs